A very good morning to all of you. This is class 7 civics chapter 2 and 3 revision, or you can say question bank bacha. So always a good day start with a good thought. Experience is not what happens with you, it is what you do and what happens to you. It means experience वो नहीं जो आपके साथ हुआ है. Experience वो होता है कि आपने उस सिचुएशन को डील करने के लिए आपने क्या स्टेप्स लिए हैं. सो इट्स माई थॉट कि आप जो भी सिचुएशन इस टाइम कोरोना टाइम चल रहा है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग इस टाइम को, ये एक्सपीरियंस को आप जो है इसमें अपने बेस्ट दें ताकि आपका बेस्ट आउटकम आ सके. बच्चा, your question number 1 is explain federal system. बच्चा, you know India is having a federal government. That means management is done in two sets. That is, one is the union government and second is the state government. As both the government have the governance, as they wanted, everyone is free or liberal to show that to complete their work at their own way, or whatever they wanted to solve their problems at their different levels, to get the disputes or get the solutions, as well as do whatever they want to do in a very systematic way. Then bacha, second question is what is constituency? Constituency is a particular area from which registers voters elected from their representative. That means कोई भी constitution जिससे हम हमारे जो voters को represent करते हैं, that is called as constituency बच्चा. Then nominal executive and real executive. Basically if I will say बेटा कि आपके में nominal executive कौन है, तो nominal executive आपका governor होता है, whereas the real executive is the chief minister. Then बच्चा, what is majority? Majority is basically when a person or referring to more than half of the numbers in a group, मतलब more than half जो भी numbers होते हैं किसी भी constituency, that is called as majority. And the political party who is opposite to the ruling party, ruling party के जो opposite जितनी भी parties होती, that is called as opposition party or opposition. Okay, the next question is what is legislature? The legislature is the body of person elected by the people with the power to make or change laws को change करने के लिए जो requirement होती है. Then what is ordinance बच्चा? Ordinance is basically, you know it very well, कि an order of the governor or the president or the house when not in session, मतलब कोई भी emergency situations आ जाती हैं, then it is forming. Then what is bill बच्चा? Bill is basically any draft or the proposed law presented to the assembly for discussion is called bill. बच्चा, bill two types के होते हैं, ordinary bill और money bill, जिसको हम लोग next class में discuss करेंगे, class 8th मीन्स अब जो अपकमिंग क्लास है आपका क्लास 8th में. ठीक है बच्चा. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज डिस्क्रेटरी पावर? डिस्क्रेटरी पावर्स आर बेस्ड ऑन इंडिविजुअल जजमेंट. दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी पीपल आर डूइंग जजमेंट इन एनी सिचुएशंस टू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन व्हाट इज करेक्ट एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग इन एनी मैटर्स. Now बच्चा, lesson 2, what is censorship बच्चा? Censorship is basically whenever we used to see the television, we used to see कि many things are not printed also, or they are not authorized. So what is happening in that situation? It is like if the censor board is not permitting that that this thing should be you can say कि print. Okay बच्चा. So the act of removing an objectionable or immovable material from news or movies, or you can say the person who is authorized is called censor. And the factors who are affecting media ethics are balanced reporting, citizens privacy, as well as avoiding violence or vulgarity. These all things are discussed by censorship. Then what is copyright? But copyright is basically when someone is writing or when someone is making any advertisement, so the person who is making that advertisement has the copyright. The person who writes the advertisement after receiving brief misinformation from the art director and the others, this is called as copywriter. And बच्चा, what is campaign? Campaign means a series of activities designed to produce a particular result. किसी भी चीज़ के लिए रिजल्ट लाने के लिए जो भी हम करते हैं, जैसे चाहे वो हम आपके मतलब आप कोई भी स्ट्राइक ले लो, रैलीज ले लो, जो भी मेथड यूज़ करें. देन ब्रांड इज बच्चा एन आइडेंटिफिकेशन मार्क और नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर कंपनी. जैसे कि हम लोग देखते हैं BMB, MDH, फॉर्च्यून, ये सब क्या है? ब्रांड्स हैं बच्चा. What is about advertising? Advertising basically, what is advertising? Advertising, you can say कि it's a method to produce, like it's a method which is used for business or promotion of any product or service in any method, so that we can get means attached to it, maybe economically, socially or politically, any of the matter is there, so we get linked to it. They basically their target is our children and mothers, so that advertisement जो हमारा बनता है वो उन्हीं के है ताकि वो उसको लाइक करें. देन इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टेलीविज़न. बच्चे, अगर टेलीविज़न की अगर हम बात करें तो टेलीविज़न बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इफेक्ट देता है. as we know कि our young children or at adolescence age, girls and boys both are attracted towards television and multimedia things. As they told कि we used to see thin models are there, beautiful ladies are there. So adolescent girls what are doing कि they used to leave food, खाना खाना छोड़ देती थी कि ताकि वो बिल्कुल मॉडर्न मतलब मूवीज़ की तरह जो भी हीरोइंस है उनकी तरह लगे. इवन बॉयज़ एट एन अर्ली एज जो होते हैं जिम शिम करने देते ताकि वो टीवी के हीरोज़ की तरह अपनी बॉडी शॉट में. तो इससे क्या होता है उनकी जो नॉर्मल जो बॉडी की ग्रोथ होती है वो रुक जाती है. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी बैड इफेक्ट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग. Then how is advertisement made? But how is advertisement made? The client go to the advertising agency, then they used to get all the information को पूरी briefing देते हैं, and after that they used to create a group. They used to make a proper advertisement and show it to the team. Then the person who write the text of the advertisement is called copywriter, and then after it is made they used to show it to the media planner. Then if it is all the strategies are fulfilled, then advertisement is made. Work of APOS. बच्चे APOS जो थे वो हमारे ऑफिसर होते हैं who used to collect all the information and give it to the specified department to work on it, as he used to receive any RTI. And after that, after 3 to 4 days, he used to study that and transfer all the information to the PIO, that is Public Information Officers. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.